Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add someone to a community on Tumblr mobile. Unfortunately, Tumblr's community feature doesn't allow you to directly add someone to a community. However, you can invite people to join your community by sharing the community's link with them. And here's how you can do it on the Tumblr mobile app. First, open the Tumblr app, then go to the community you want to invite people to. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Select Invite from the menu. Copy the invite link that appears and then share the link with the people you want to invite. You can share it through various platforms like messaging apps, social media, or email. The people you invite will receive a notification with the invite link. They can then tap on the link to join the community. Notice that the ability to invite members to a community might be subject to certain limitations or restrictions based on the community setting on Tumblr or Tumblr's policies. That's it on how to add someone to a community on Tumblr. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.